I was installing the battery in a car when one of the terminals did not want to fit over the post. So I was able to wedge it open with a pair of pliers. Um, I figured they must make a tool to spread these open. Went to Advanced AutoZone. Whatever they had was too pricey, so I figured, well, maybe Harbor Freight. They didn't have anything like that, so I found these at Lowe's. $10. These are made in China. Yeah, made in China. So I guess I won't have to deal with spreading those terminals open. And I think these were $10 or $9.40 something. Item number, and when the time comes, I have them ready for the next battery.